inside.
Yeah. Beans?
Oh, goodness.
How the hell do you reach that?
You struggling?
Yep. Oh, thank God.
You just lift.
Then you just lift. Alrighty.
There's a big block in there.
You're darn right it is. Good afternoon. Good day. I'm Christopher. Guy behind the camera is always Jake the Snake, and right here to my right is a 1972 Mohave Gold Monte Carlo, the first gen Monte Carlo, and look what's inside there. A 402 big block. Isn't that nice? Pretty well optioned car. It's got the turbo, 400 transmission, 3-speed, 12-bolt rear end, bucket seats, center console, power, air conditioning power, steering power, windows power, brakes, tilt wheel, cruise control,
And importantly today, a heater.
Thank God there's a heater. Ooh, it's chilly. And this is the beautiful trunk. The first gen Monte Carlo with all kinds of stuff in the back.
Looks like we got a binder with some paperwork in it.
I love binders with paperwork.
Nice brown floor mats. We got a spare tire back here.
Oh, yes.
Huge trunk, solid floors.
Mojave Gold.
Very nice.
Saddle brown bucket seats. Saddle brown bucket seats. Look at that interior. It's striking.
It is striking.
It is striking. And it's a big block.
Wood grain
We've got
dash.
the original window sticker. We got the build sheet. This has 66,000 original miles on it.
Upgraded radio.
Anywho, let's take it for a spin before we freeze to death.
Let's do it. Good old fashioned startup.
Good old fashioned start.
At the beginning because the car is cold.
Wow, the clock works.
Starts up really easy for a big block.
Oh yeah, it does, and the clock works. Oh, I like the power windows better.
Did you say the clock works?
Yeah, look at it.
I'm gonna roll up my window.
I might as well.
Oh, look how fast
Wow.
it is.
You can tell it's a big block because of how fast the windows go.
Power
That's
locks
the
as well.
truth.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, sorry. It's got a little what I like to call pep.
It's got torque. We do have a Kenwood head unit. As far as the Bluetooth goes, I can't tell.
No, it probably doesn't.
I don't think it does have Bluetooth, but it is an upgraded head unit, which is nice.
Which is nice.
There's your heating and air conditioning controls. Ooh,
Oh, kids.
in case you want to take up smoking.
Let's not do it, kids.
Don't do that, though.
No good for you.
Gauges. Can I see the gauges?
You may.
Cool, with a working clock.
Working clock. What time is it? It's that time. That's what time it is.
Wood grain dash. You got a little light on the dash for oil pressure and temp. No gauges for that, just a light to let you know if it's, something's going wrong, but that's okay.
Ooh, good brakes. Real good brakes.
Got a glove box. Oh, with the little sheet in here that says the things that you have, or your service
Yes.
intervals. That's what that is in your mileage. Very nice.
66,385 original miles on it.
That's not very many for a 72.
72.
You got the, not column shifter, console shifter
Console.
on the
Yes.
floor.
Bucket seats.
Bucket seats are nice.
You gotta love bucket seats.
Was this a turbo 400
It
3-speed?
was. It was.
Very nice.
Look
Big-
how big.
Big gold hood.
You can't
very-
miss it.
Very long gold hood.
It's a huge hood. The hood's
Nice
huge.
headliner. Very nice. And a back seat for real people.
Real.
And guess what color the back seat is?
Gold.
Brown.
Brown. Saddle brown? Saddle brown it is.
Brown, brown, and more brown.
Man, I like the big block. Sure does have a little bit of, beans.
It's got beans. It's got torque.
It's lousy with beans and torque. Now, we got highway gears in this thing, but it's still got good beans. Oof.
Yeah, we're doing 50. I don't think we have a tack, but
No, we sure don't.
I can tell we're not pulling a whole lot of RPMs.
No, it's just quietly driving down the street, unassuming.
When you get on it, it makes some noise.
Oh, it sure does.
Makes some big block noise.
It's a big block car. It's got to make big block noise. Oh.
Horn works.
Hey, out of the way, people.
Good sounding horn.
Well, it sounds like a barge because it is one.
Do we have blinkerage? Oh, I can hear it.
If I want to
clicking.
go left, maybe I want to go right.
You got blinkerage.
Maybe I'm just going to go straight. Oh my, it's such a nice car. Wow.
It floats along.
It does.
Just soaks up bumps. Kind of what it's made for. It's a big car.
You could definitely cruise across the country in this bad boy.
Oh yeah, easily. Probably not the best gas mileage ever, being a big block.
I'd imagine the only thing you're not passing is a gas station. Hello.
But being a 72, right before it all got strangled by smog.
Don't like smog.
So this ain't bad at all.
Are you ready, Freddie?
Coming up on our stop sign.
Hey, the heater works. I'm pretty proud of
The
that.
heater does work. It's getting quite warm in here, which I like because it's freezing today.
Oh, yeah.
Beans? Oh, goodness.
Sorry, everybody.
Spun the tires a little bit.
Pretty easy to do in this big bad boy. And I honestly did not give it full beans at all.
No, but it had some torque.
I said, I'll just give it a little push.
Not a lot of top end power,
No.
because there is really no top ends. It's a
Yeah.
big block. If you like bigger girls, this is the car for you.
I'll do a drive-by, but I'll do a quick one.
It's called a flyby.
And that too.
Drive-by.
Drive-by's old.
Drive-bys where we shoot people. We don't do
We're
that
not
here.
doing that. No, sir.
Right. Mike for flybys?
Mike for flybys.
Here, a big block.
He's a cruiser.
It's not the fastest car on God's green earth, but by golly, it's a good one.
It's a great car with very few miles on it, and we did that flyby right by that police officer, and we're not arrested yet, which is a good sign. You ready to drive it back?
Sounds good.
All right, let's do it.